There is a version of a repair story that does not get talked about enough. The car goes in for bodywork. It comes back looking clean. The paint looks good. The bumper is replaced. The customer is relieved. But a few months later, something happens. Maybe a sensor stops working properly. Maybe there is a rattle from the repaired area. Maybe something just does not feel right about how the car handles. Hi, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, and I want to talk about the difference between a car that looks ready and a car that actually is. When a vehicle is involved in a collision, the visible damage is only part of what needs attention. The question a shop should be asking is not just what needs to be replaced to make this look right. The question should be, what was affected by this impact, and what does the vehicle need to function the way it is supposed to? Those are different questions, and shops that only answer the first one sometimes miss the second. Here is a real-world example of what can go wrong. A vehicle gets rear-ended. The bumper cover is replaced. The paint is redone. The car looks great, but nobody checked whether the sensors in the bumper assembly were damaged or whether they need recalibration after the new bumper was installed. The driver picks up the car, and the parking sensor system begins getting false alerts or stops detecting objects correctly. Now the car looked ready, but it was not truly ready. Or consider a front-end impact where the frame rails absorb the hit. Visually, the damage looks like a bumper and hood issue. But if the frame rails themselves were not inspected for straightness and the vehicle's geometry was not measured, alignment issues may develop. Tire wear becomes uneven. The vehicle handles slightly differently than it should, and the driver may not connect that outcome to the original accident. A shop that asks the deeper questions catches these things. A shop that only asks what needs to look right may not. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, looking good and being right are both requirements. We do not consider a repair finished until we are confident in both. If you want your vehicle returned in a condition you can actually trust, not just a condition that looks acceptable, come see us at Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona. Call 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com for a free estimate. Looking better and being ready should mean the same thing.